you want to go for a ride?
Yeah.
Well, like many of us, back in the days when we used to ride our bike with our lady on the back looking really, really cool. And of course you're searching to meet the one. And when you do meet the one, of course she met me thinking he is the most sexiest person in the entire world and just wanted to hold me tight and snuggle me. But the thing of it is, we produced mini lords and mini ladies. And as these little babies came into our lives, she was unable to come on the back of the bike. And we struggled like so many people to get a babysitter to come along, babysit an entire tribe of children while we go off on crazy bike adventures. And that's a big shame. But stuff happens, like kids grow up. Now, our youngest of our mini children, because she wanted to have many with me because I'm so cool, has got to the point where he has started school, literally has just started school, that frees us up some time to get back on the bike. So we're going to be able to actually, for the first time in a very, very long time, go out together for a ride. And it's quite a special thing because obviously we used to do loads of little adventures together. And when I first started this YouTube channel, and you can go back and check it out, we did like a tour of Matlock Bath and things, and she came along and she puts up with the amazement of me. And you know, she's obviously got impeccably amazing taste in the things that she picks and the things that she does because she picked me. But most importantly of all, is the one thing I hope this does today is relight that spark, that enthusiasm, because a lot of times when you have a big gap from bikes, especially your partner, they're not that interested. They don't want to jump on the back of the bike. But again, of course, being me, I make it sound exciting, make it sound thrilling, and that's exactly what I'm hoping to achieve today. And let's be quite frank, she puts up with quite a lot. So, do you want to meet her? So, ladies and gentlemen, let me present Lady Head.
I don't want to be Lady Head. That sounds really rude.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Well, let's get suited, let's get booted, let's get on the bike, and then we can get to know Lady Goodhead better. Right, you ready? You remember the rules? Yeah. So all you got to do is give me a tap if you want me to pull over and stop. Other than that, scream if you want to go faster. Right then. Madame. Are you on? Yeah. Alright, here we go then. First time in a long, long time. Woo!
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. The limit of love is endless, I know. Just do what you want with me.
My knees are shaking.
I did promise you a rush. It's good, isn't it?
It's so much fun.
It's been a long time
Smiling.
and you've done it.
Yeah.
Well, you've done it, we've only really not got very far. And you're giggling on the, all I can hear over the comms is giggle, giggle, giggle. Anyway, Let's go and find somewhere for a coffee, yeah?
Okay.
But you're loving it?
Yeah.
Happy days. So all I can hear from Lady Head is giggle, 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 giggle on the back. She is loving it. Right, we're riding the B662 headed towards Uppingham. It's a fantastic road. Basically go from Harborough to Uppingham, use the B662 because this is famous for a reason. It's got some amazing twisters and it's got this very short couple of real good ones here that are breathtaking. And it's worth it for that. To be honest, that little bit, it's just worth it. These beautiful twisters. And then when you get to Uppingham, you've got loads of coffee shops, historic town to visit. It's fantastic. I've not decided yet if we're going to stop there for a coffee or continue to Rutland Water, because Rutland Water is where we had our first ever actual proper date. So it's quite a nice place for us to go back and visit. But yeah, she sounds like she's having fun. It's great to have her on the back again. Yeah, this is good times. Well, we are here at Rutland Water, and this is where we had our first ever proper date many years ago. And obviously Mrs. Head had to put up with me ever since and all my craziness adventures. But where we're about to go used to be an Italian restaurant, and obviously Lady Head comes from an Italian family because I like a bit of spice and a bit of meanness in my life. And we're going to head back in there. It's no longer an Italian restaurant, it is now just a coffee shop. But memories are memories, so let's go and check out this place, get a beautiful, beautiful latte before we have to head home.
Yesterday I lost the battle, trying at all costs, oh, to keep you, baby. Oh, to keep you, baby. Doo-doo-doo. Now I hurt so bad, all I feel is sad that I lost you, baby. Oh, I lost you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now I wonder, why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do.
Well, we've just enjoyed a coffee in the same place that we had our first date. Obviously not in a beautiful Italian meal, a beautiful Italian woman, but we had a coffee. What I'd say about the coffee is, to be fair, is it's out of a machine and it was all right. There was no kind of like, little love heart they put on the top or any of that. It was all right, weren't it?
Yeah, it was nice. It was okay.
It's a shame to see it not a proper restaurant anymore, but the view, fantastic. But it's just nice to come out. It's nice to get out on the bike. I mean, you've not been on the bike for ages.
No, it was really good.
So how did you feel the Harley? How was it for you to, I mean, you were laughing every time I opened the throttle, you were like giggling down the cobs.
That's what it does to you though, doesn't it? I couldn't stop smiling, my cheeks were aching. It's really fun. It's so like raw, you feel everything. But yeah, it was an experience, but I enjoyed it.
It's good fun, isn't it? I mean, for me it's fantastic having you back on the back of the bike, and obviously for us to get out is brilliant, and it's nice to the kids to be all at school so we can have a little bit of a laugh. But most of all, we need to shoot back now because unfortunately I'm super busy and I've got somewhere I need to be this afternoon. But it's been fantastic, and then we'll jump on the bike again, we'll go and visit another pretty spot. But it's nice to come back to our first date. Well, I am pretty sure that I have re-sparked that light. I am pretty sure the candle is burning, and she loved it, and she's already turned around and said, when can we go out next? And that's exactly what I wanted to achieve. And I really, really hope from this video it will get someone to do the same thing. Say to their wife, their partner, do you want to come on the back of my bike? Do you want to come for a little ride? We'll go grab a coffee somewhere nice and re-spark that fun and adventure together. And if that has happened, please leave a comment, because honestly, that would rock my world to know that somebody's gone, do you know what? I'm going to do that. But most importantly, right now, I just want to turn and say a massive thank you to my patrons, and really, without their support, I couldn't make as many videos as I do. There's so much stuff I need to do and get, and that contribution towards them, because they love the channel, it's fantastic. So thank you so much. There's other ways to support the channel as well, by doing things like sharing this video, giving it a thumbs up, and also giving it a comment. Tell your friends about the channel. Loads of cool stuff's happening. But anyway, I will see you in the next bonkers helmet head adventure. Bye bye for now.